This one setting is the reason why your videos views are still stuck. If you must increase your views, I fixed these 5 things in my videos, not in my channel, in my videos, and I started seeing dramatic changes. Every video has a set 5 major things you must fix right now after watching this video ins, and this particular one setting is common and is general. You must fix it before you fix even the YouTube studio. If you can fix this one settings, the other 4 is additional. Now this one thing is what is going to tell if someone will watch your video to the end or they will click and click off. One of the settings is you set yourself, fix yourself. Fix your intro, set your intro. You cannot retain me in 10 to 30 seconds, then you've lost me because I will click off immediately. So meaning that your intro shouldn't be boring. Your intro shouldn't be too long. Make it short. So your intro must carry these 3 things. First, the hook, the problem, the pain point. Second, the promise. And the last thing, let them guess. What is she going to say? Hook them that way. First 10 to 30 seconds and you've gotten their attention. Your video intro is as important as your entire video. So if your video intro is too long and is too boring, people will click off immediately. Make it short. Let us know what you want to see in the video. Short, as quick as possible before you can go around introducing other things. Then the number 2 things you must fix right now, I saw in my comment section, is you paying attention to your comment section. A lot of people are writing questions in the comment section and those questions demand your answers. So someone gave me this, that I should transcribe it to another language like Hindi, etc. It means that if you don't fix this right now, your video will not be understood by other tribes or other countries, people that doesn't speak English language. I'm going to show you quickly how you can turn this on immediately in your YouTube studio. So let's do this. Head over to your YouTube studio right now. Click the video that you want to turn on this particular feature. Just look by the sidebar. You're going to see language. That language is as important as anything. Remember, your default language is English language, meaning that when your video is uploaded in English, it's going to be in English. So you need to transcribe it. You need to make it so that other people from other countries like France and India will be able to understand what you are saying, especially those people that cannot speak English language. So you go ahead and add those languages. Go ahead and add subtitles and then add other languages. Don't fail to add these important languages. Like, this is an example of what this language can do. Now look at this video now. This video, the top languages, top subtitles languages you can see is Indonesian, French, and Arabic, and more. So you see, you need to turn this on so that when people from this country comes to your video, they'll be able to understand what you are trying to say in your video and they'll follow you along, and thereby increasing your views, watch hours, and subscribers. But 3 things you must fix right now is you watching your competitors' videos. Come on guys, you cannot grow here just by uploading your videos. You need to see what other people are doing, and if the video is performing well, try and recreate it. Recreating is not copy and paste the person's subtitles. Recreating is trying to do the same thing that the person is doing with your own style, your own voice. You understand? Because I'm sure you might have experienced 1 or 2 of those things. You share it. It's your experience, so you own it. Don't do like, I don't want to watch a video. Why? You won't learn by not watching people's video. You will learn by watching other people's video. So you recreate it and add your touch, like you add your own uniqueness to your video. That is what is going to make your videos, every of your uploads, to gain views. The reason is because you are improving and you are adding something to your video. The number 4 thing that you must do right now, the keyword is as important as your video. What people are searching for. A lot of people are searching, like when they were searching for, like, look at this video now. If you look at the keywords, you'll see that the people were searching for this particular keywords, they were searching for it, and as they were searching for it, your video will likely pop up among the videos that are doing the same thing. You need to fix it. You need to fix it ASAP. After hearing all of these things, don't sleep on it. Please go now and fix everything. That is how you are going to see views. Lastly, in this video, what I'm going to say to you is that in your default settings, let's head over there. In your default settings, please pay attention to the tags that are there, and to the keywords. Always update it, because you created your channel 2 years ago. The same tags you are using is the same tags you are still using. Come on, guys. It shouldn't be so. Go and update it. Go back to the competitors, people in your niche. There are things they are also doing differently. Go and check regularly. Check it after 3 months. Check it, update it. After 6 months, check it, update it. See what is trending. See what they are adding as new things. Don't allow the same task you used when you created your channel to remain till thy kingdom come, like to remain forever. You need to change. What brings change is growth, and if your channel is not growing, that means that it's dying and something is wrong. Like, I mean, there is something that you're not doing right. So if you must grow, you must do things differently, not the same pattern every time. Sometimes you put something different. Let people see new things. Let people see innovation. Just be innovative in your videos. This particular one that you must pay attention to is trends. Goodness, you need to join, like, you need to understand when to hop on trends. Now, trending topics in your niche. Another major thing you must fix in your YouTube studio is using the analytics to be checking your CTR. Every thumbnail carries a CTR, that is click-through rate. If it is not high, from 5% upward, it's a good one. And if it's dropping, once you upload your video, after 3 hours and you check, the CTR is very low, it's pointing down, please work on another one to change it. Study why people's thumbnails are working, are bringing in the views, because your thumbnail and your titles, those are the first thing that attract me first before I will listen to what you have to say. So work on those two things before the hook. So the hook comes after you might have attracted me and I stay, then you hook me. Then if I stay, you cannot hook me, I click off. Meaning that titles, thumbnail, and your hook shouldn't be joked with. This is you fixing yourself. This meeting me for the first time. This is Build and Brand with Quick, and on this channel, I help YouTuber beginners to grow, build, and monetize, and stay monetized, sharing strategies and mistakes to avoid. If this sounds like something you love, please like the video, drop me a comment, and guys, was this video helpful? Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop me a comment. And until then, see you in the next one.